This question is on types of radiation. So it goes, the type of radiation emitted from a radioactive source can be identified by comparing the properties of the radiation to the properties of alpha, beta and gamma radiation. This is shown in the diagram below. So it shows how alpha radiation is stopped by thin paper. Beta radiation, you need aluminium to go and stop it, and gamma radiation, you need lead to go and stop it. So describe the properties of alpha, beta and gamma radiation in terms of how penetrating they are, their range is air, and if they're deflected by a magnetic field. So if you're talking about alpha radiation, you can talk about alpha radiation as the least penetrating. They're stopped by paper or card, so they have the shortest range because they can only travel about 5 centimeters in air. They're slightly deflected by a magnetic field of alpha particles, positively charged, so they move away from that positive kind of charge bit. Beta particles, so some of these are stopped, but you need millimeters of aluminium in order to go and stop it properly. So if they can travel up to like 1 meter in air, they are deflected by a magnetic field because beta particles are really small, so the particles are deflected in the opposite direction to alpha particles by that magnetic field. And finally, gamma radiation is the most penetrating. You need about 10 centimeters of lead to go and stop it. It has the longest range, and because it's only a wavelength, it is not deflected by a magnetic field. So they're just a few of the key things that you need to think about when answering questions on types of radiation.